Hello friends, I am back again with a new interesting video of Power BI Masterclass series, and today we will learn how to publish the reports in Power BI service. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, I'll open my Power BI. So I'll search it here, Power BI, and also click on open. Now I'll select blank report. We need to create a report here. For that, we need to import the data. So what I'll do, I'll click on import data from Excel, and I'll select this training data Excel file. So I'll click on open, and it, it is loading. Yeah, and I'll select this tables. I often select tables instead of sheets. That makes sure I'm importing the data from the table itself only. So I'll click on load, and also I'll provide this file in the description below so you can follow along with me. Now you can see we have these three tables. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly rename this. So this is my orders table, and this is my employees table, employees employees TBL, and this is my suppliers TBL. So we have three tables here. So what I'll do, for creating a report, I need visuals here. So let's add some visuals. So let's add a stacked bar chart here. So let's add some fields here. Let's yeah, let's say customer country and their amounts, total amounts, and I just adjust it here. Now let's add another visual. So let's select this donut chart here, and let's add a category and their sales. So we have category by sales. So let's adjust it here. So I just want these two visuals only, because the main motive of this video is publishing the reports to the Power BI service, not creating any visuals. So what I'll do, uh, so this is my one report. So I created a using these two visuals only. So what I'll do, I want to publish this report to the Power BI service. For that, what I'll do, I'll go to this home tab, and I'll select publish. Now it requires me to save this report. So I'll say save, and I'll say this is my, let's say, okay, first report first report. I'll click on save. That got saved here, and you can see it says to select a workspace here. So I'll select this my workspace. By default, it will be listed as a my workspace here. But if you have created any workspace, let's say you have created any custom workspace for your working, then it will be reflected. It will be shown here. So I'll select my workspace because I didn't created any workspace here. So I'll select this. So it is publishing now. Now it says success. Now you can click on open report from Power BI. So for me it is showing some error here, but for you it will be redirected to the Power BI website. So I'll click on OK. So I'll say OK, got it. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the Power BI. So I'm in this Power BI service website. So I'll go to home. So I'm in the home tab only. So what I'll do, I'll go to the workspace. Now you can see here by default my workspace is there. So if you are created any workspace, it will be shown here. So I'll select this workspace, and you can see this report is taken from the this Excel access file from this Excel file, the first report semantic model is created, and from this semantic model we have this first report. So I'll click on this. So let's open it. Let's open it. Some errors is there. Let's refresh it here. I don't know why it is not opening. Let's click on this and say open it. Yeah, now you can see this is the same report that we just now published here. This is the same report. Now you can see we have these two. This is one report, and you can also create your custom workspace by going to this My Workspace tab. Sorry, by going to this Workspace tab. Sorry, and here you can see here an option called New Workspace is there. I'll click on this, and for me it is it requires me to select the subscription plan. So I just wanted to show you how to create a workspace. So for that, so what is this name means here, need to you need to provide the workspace name, and for this description you can provide a custom description for the workspace. Let's say this workspace that you are created, this is an organization workspace. Here you are working with the your team members, and you are maintaining a dashboard or report. You can mention the report description or the dashboard description here, and you can also publish the workspace image here. You can provide the team logo image or the workspace yeah, a custom image also. And there is an advanced option is there. Click on it here, and here you can see the contact list is there. So currently it says my name. So because I'm creating this workspace, so it will show my workspace as an owner, my name as an owner. And here also you can provide your colleague email IDs to add them as an admin. And you can see it says to add it, it says me to select a pro version of it. So let's add it. Let's see, is it says the same only. Let's say dummy. Let's say my my workspace. Let's say custom workspace. Sorry, custom workspace. So you can provide the description, and for this domain you can add the organizational domain name here, and let's say apply. Let's see, if you have a pro version of this, you can see now it is it says me to this is my custom workspace got created here. But for some reason in the when I tried it, it is not created. So but now here it got created here. Let's select this custom workspace. Now what I'll do, so we have two workspace here. You can see this is my workspace by default. Here we just now imported, like we just now published this first report here. And in this workspace, custom workspace, what I want is I want to import sorry, no, I want to publish another report. So let's see how we can do this. So what I'll do, I'll go to the Power BI again, and in this time what I'll do, I'll remove this, and I'll add another visual. Let's say a scatter plot, and in this scatter plot I'll add numerical fields like amount and their sales, and I'll add category. You can see, so it says drinks is the category that has highest amount of and highest amount of sales. So what I'll do, I'll add a category label here. Yeah, Now let's publish this. So what I'll do, I'll go to home tab and I'll say publish. It requires me to save. I'll say save. Now you can see a custom workspace is also shown here, because just now I created a custom workspace. So I'll select it. Yeah. Now when I click here, it says error only. So what I'll do, I'll go to the Power BI site and I'll try to refresh it. So let's see it got published or not. So I'll go to Workspaces, custom workspace. I can see this is the another report that we just now published here. So and it is reflected here. Let's go to the earlier workspace and let's see this one. Yeah, you can see this is the different one from this. So now what I want to do is I want to create a dashboard using these reports. So before creating a dashboard, I want to discuss what is mean by reports and what is mean by a dashboard. So what is dashboard means? A dashboard is a way to combine the different visuals from the reports. So what I mean is, let's say you have 10 reports, and in the report you have different visuals, and you have detailed information of like all the measures that you created, that you wanted. But you want to create another like a space, another page, a canvas, or yeah, a page where you want to summarize whatever like the necessary visuals that you want to take from the reports that you created. So what I mean is, this dashboard is a combination of the different visuals that are taken from the different reports. So and this report is a this report contains different multiple visuals, and the reports may be multiple but the dashboard will be only one. So now what I'll do, I'll create a dashboard using the reports. So what I'll do, I'll go to the workspaces and I'm currently in the my workspace only. So what I'll do, I'll select this visual, and here you can see a option called pin visual. I'll select this, and a pop-up window appears here and it says me to create a new dashboard here. So I'll say this is my, let's say my first dashboard. I'll select pin. I'll close it here and I'll go to this first report. Sorry, I'll go to the workspace and I'll select my workspace. Now you can see here we have my first dashboard that we just now created, and it says dashboard. I'll select this and I'll open the dashboard. Now I can see this dashboard, this visual that we take it that we got from the report that we just now created. So here we have the sum of sales by category. Now what I'll do, I'll add another visual from the report. So what I'll do, I'll go to first report, this one. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I'll add this also. I'll click on pin visuals, and now it says existing dashboard. So I'll select this existing dashboard, and either you can create a new dashboard using where you want this to be displayed, this visuals to be displayed. I'll click on pin. Now I'll select my dashboard. Now you can see this is got reflected here. Now let's get this visual, let's paste it here. Let's see how we can do this. So for that, I'll click again pin visual, and let's say existing visual, existing dashboard. Now you can see this existing dashboard pop-up is not showing here. This is not clickable here because this dashboard, it is created under the workspace called my workspace. You can see, and this report that we created, sorry, this one, this is the second report that we created. This is belongs to the custom workspace that we just now created. You can see first report, so this is the same report. So that's the reason we can't use this visuals reports from the another workspace to use as a as a pin to the dashboard in another workspace. I guess I'm not confusing you, but yeah. Now let's see. Let's create another a dashboard and let's try to use it here. So what I'll do, I'll pin it and I'll create another dashboard. Let's say second dashboard. Second dashboard, I'll pin it. I'll select the custom dashboards and it says, you can see in the custom dashboard it says second dashboard, and we have the second dashboard. Let's try to get the visuals from the reports from the workspace one, my workspace, my workspace, and from the my workspace I'll select this report, and let's try to use this visual as a dashboard in the another workspace, that's the custom my workspace. So what I'll do, I'll select this and I'll select my existing dashboard, and you can see only my first dashboard is there. The second dashboard is not reflected here because this second dashboard is from the different workspace, so that is not possible. So if you that like if you have multiple reports from then you can import publish that multiple reports in a one workspace, and you can use that workspace to create a dashboard, but you can't use the reports from another workspace to use as a to use that in a dashboard in a different workspace. So now let's see what are the fields that we have here. So we seen how we can create a dashboards and how we can create a workspace and what's the difference between reports and the dashboards. So as in a simple term, you can say a dashboard is a combination of visuals that are taken from the different reports, you can say, and this report contains like a detailed level of visualization, so you can say multiple visuals, you can say, and reports may be multiple but the dashboard will be only same, or you can say a dashboard is a summarized visual way of representing the reports, you can see. So now let's see what are the fields we have. So I'll go to the home page here, and you can, it says recommended, my workspace, and the recent and the favorite tab is there, my apps is there. So I'll select workspaces, and here we have the workspaces, and this is my workspace and the dashboards that we have here. And let's see the settings tab, and here we have the general settings, notifications. Now you can see here in the notification tab uh, like the recent thing that you have done here, the recent changes that is shown here, and also you can see at which time the dashboard is imported, when it is refreshed by going let's see, let's select this my workspace and let's select first report, sorry, let's select this list view here, list view option. I can see, so it says when this is got refreshed, and you can also add the next refresh time also, but this is a paid feature. And you can see the refresh date and the endorsement sensitivity, And what the we have the item settings, developer settings we have, and we have the personal settings also, and we have the admin portal also. And these are the like additional things that you need to explore it. And of course you can download the gateways here. You can see in the Power BI desktop is there. You can also download the Power BI desktop from here also. And you have a gateway, data gateway. So what this data gateway means is like here we have the training excel access file, and using that we created a first report. But let's say I have that training excel file. In that I made some changes. I want that to be reflected here. For that, what I need is I need to set up a gateway here to that excel file. That is we will see in the later videos, but just now let's keep in mind that data gateway means this. And aginated report builder, and we have Power BI for mobile. You can try this also. Analyze in Excel updates, Power BI for PowerPoint, on Lake File Explorer. So these are the additional things you need to explore it. I forgot to mention that use to use the Power BI service, you must need to have the organizational email, or you can say organizational account, or you can have an educational account, Microsoft account. That should be necessary for accessing the Power BI service. That should be log into this Power BI so that we can publish these reports to the Power BI service. And that is paid only. But in the earlier videos, maybe in the chiclet slicer video, I shown how to use the Power BI service for free for 30 days trial. You can see for me it is showing 60 days trial left. So you can watch that video to avail and to use Power BI service for educational purpose, or you can try it for your learning purpose.